To me, there's not much better than putting on a backing track, cranking up the volume, and jamming out on harmonica. If you want to do this too and do it a little bit more effectively, stick around for today's video where I'm going to be teaching you the Reds method, my own system for improvising. Hey friends, Jonah Fox here. Let's talk about improv today. You get the basics, right? First, you need music to play with, like another musician or a backing track. A ton of great ones can be found on YouTube totally for free. You just match the key with the position you want to play in and you're off. Well, maybe. Without any sort of direction, most musicians noodle around, playing random stuff without much direction or intention. But not you, because today I will be teaching you my original framework you can follow to keep your jam sessions more on track. It's called the Reds method. Before that, however, let's go back to the basics. I don't want to get ahead of you. The key to sounding all right in the beginning is to just play your scale and do it like you're singing. I go over that in my free Harmonica Accelerator course. You can find the link down below in the description. You'll find that it matches pretty well, but a lot of times when you're just using your scale and you don't have a goal, your playing will sound kind of random. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna start with the R of Reds. We have our blues now. Now we're gonna be learning our Reds. So we're gonna start with the R, which stands for repeat, as in find something to repeat. Okay, this could be a riff you learned from a YouTube teacher like myself. It could be something that you make originally. You know, either way, just find a musical phrase that you like and repeat it. This is gonna be your anchor that will keep you grounded. If you get lost, just come back to that repeated riff. Next, you want to make that repeated phrase even better. That brings us to the E in Reds, enhance. Take that repeating phrase and make it more interesting. You can do that by removing notes, making your dynamics, that's your volume level, more interesting with a lot more contrast. You can accent certain notes. There's really a lot you can do here. Just focus on making your original idea even better. If you're interested, I can make a standalone video on this topic. Are you following so far? So we have a riff that we're repeating, right? And then we have enhanced it. We've taken that idea and we've made it just a little bit better by changing it in some ways. If this video is helping you, click the like button, which helps this video spread to more people. Thanks. All right, so next we have D, which stands for develop. If your original phrase was the first part of the story, where does the story go? It's your job to figure that out. One simple idea is to play a second phrase that complements the first phrase. We call this a call and response. There are many ways of doing this, and how you handle it is what makes your playing special. All right, finally, we get to the S, which stands for solo. This is where you leave your phrase, leave that thing that you've been repeating and developing, all that, right? And you use your scales to experiment, play around. You know how in a fireworks show, there's a grand finale, and that's the part that everybody cares about? Well, this is the same deal with your solo as well. So try to play that up and focus on something in particular you want to highlight or show off. This could be a technique like a trill or a blow bend. It could be playing fast. It could be moving between octaves, playing in the low end of the harmonica and jumping up to the high end. Just be intentional about this, okay? So remember, people are looking for something to grab onto, something that's special, and you want to give that to them, okay? Bonus points if you can also tie in that original phrase that you were making into your solo. People love a callback. Anyways, that is the Reds method. Repeat, enhance, develop, and solo. Try this out and check out this video up here to learn some fast licks that you can highlight when it's time for you to solo. Jonah out.